How many of you have actually seen animals with horns? Okay, how many of you have seen fully grown horns in Holstein dairy cows, milking cows like that one on the picture? Yeah, not that many. This is perhaps because 90% of the dairy industry in the United States actually gets rid of the horn before it grows through a process called disbudding, which is essentially burning the area. The reason for this process is actually very simple: to prevent injuries from humans, animals with one another when they're fighting, and to preserve the carcass. Now, when you actually perform this procedure, there's a problem with the welfare. It is painful, and it actually reduces the welfare. But what happens when this process is actually being carried? The animal, it's actually sedated and or numb locally. The area is shaved, and then the hot iron is applied to the surface for a few seconds until a ring that you can see on that top row is formed, and that's when the process is actually completed. Now, what's the actual goal of my research? Is to improve calf welfare. And you might ask, well, why would this be important? It's important for the sustainability of the industry. It is important for the animal welfare, and it's important actually because people drink milk, they like drinking it, and they enjoy it. Now, what is specifically my research going to do? To look at the effects of the extended analgesia in terms of the physiological and the behavioral aspects for the animal. What would be the problem with this? Well, currently, no research to date is actually exploring the effects of painkillers for a procedure that can take up to 9 weeks to heal, that causes pain sensitivity for up to 3 weeks, and that is actually painful throughout this time for those 9 weeks for the calf. So you can see the process of the healing here on week 1, week 5, and then week 9. So today I invite you to explore a little bit more in the dairy industry and to actually enjoy the milk, but actually think about the welfare of animals because it matters. Thank you.